आपने सुना कि Zomato ने अपने फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स को बोला है that we don't want more money. Sounds weird, right? I mean, in all honesty, इतनी सारी companies हैं who are actually begging for international investment, like they are swiping them right. But Zomato है जो सीधा ही उन्हें ब्लॉक मार रहा है. भला क्यों? Well, because ये एक legal change पूरी गेम चेंज कर सकता है on how Blinkit makes money. और अगर ये काम कर गया ना, then it could be the most profitable decision they have ever made. चलो, let's break it down to understand better. तो हो कुछ ऐसा रहा है ना कि Zomato अपने शेयर होल्डर्स को फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट पर कैप लगाने को कह रहा है at 49.5%. I mean, it's not like they have to. No one's forcing them to. It's more like they want to. ताकि वो qualify हो सके as Indian owned and controlled company, that is an IOCC. But what does that really mean for Blinkit? Well, nationalism की बात नहीं है. सही बताऊं तो इस cheat code से Blinkit अपना पूरा business flip कर सकता है, वो भी legally. अगर हम अभी देखें तो अंडर द इंडियन FDI लॉज फॉरेन ओन्ड ई-कॉमर्स कंपनीज पर एक वियर्ड सी ही रिस्ट्रिक्शन है एंड दैट इज दे कैन नॉट होल्ड इन्वेंट्री. वो बस मिडल मैन की तरह एक्ट कर सकते हैं. मतलब दे कैन ओनली कनेक्ट सेलर्स टू बायर्स, which means अगर आप PS5 का ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो on Blinkit, then the agent goes to the specified store or inventory carrier. वहाँ से he collects your PS5 and then delivers it to you. But एक बार अगर Zomato qualify कर गया as Indian owned, then that rule disappears and Blinkit own कर पाएगा the PS5 itself. अब आते हैं मेन बात पर. इस स्विच से Blinkit आखिर कितने पैसे कमा सकता है? Let's look at some numbers together. Blinkit की projected GMV for FY25 is 24,938 crores. इससे पहले आप कमेंट्स में पूछो let me explain what GMV is. समझो आपने एक 100 रुपए की चॉकलेट Blinkit से ऑर्डर की, तो उसकी MRP है 100 रुपए. But Blinkit was running a special 20% discount for cuties just like you, especially on chocolates. So वो आपको पड़ेगी 80 रुपए की. So this 80 rupees is actually the GMV or gross merchandise value. Right now its take rate, that is the share of that GMV it earns, is about 18.5%. But अगर Blinkit ये inventory own करने लग जाएगा तो then it can push that up by 0.5%. But wait, only 0.5%? आपको भी ये नंबर छोटा लग रहा होगा ना? Let me tell you कि this tiny shift can add nearly 170 crores to its EBITDA in just 1 year. That's a 55% jump from last year. अब इससे पहले we move forward, subscribe का बटन भी जरा क्लिक कर दो because we love simplifying such stuff for you every week. हाँ तो कहाँ थे हम? हाँ, 55% jump है ये from last year. And if Zomato actually pulls this off, then they won't just earn more. They'll start playing a whole new game. अब ये बस कोई ऐसा वैसा हैक नहीं है. It's a strategic play for the long term. By owning inventory, we mean that Blinkit can build its own private labels, control delivery timelines, offer better margins to itself, and become way less dependent on chaotic third-party sellers. क्या पता इस मूव से मार्केट के बाकी प्लेयर्स जैसे कि Zepto या Instamart भी अपना मॉडल रीथिंक करने लग जाएं? Now to wrap all this up, here's the big idea. Zomato is not just tweaking shareholder structure, it's rewriting the rules to unlock a more profitable and more powerful version of Blinkit. So regulations are not roadblocks. For smart operators, they're levers. And this is one of the boldest pulls we have seen yet. आपको क्या लगता है? Is this a smart power move or an unnecessary risk? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.